How's it going, guys? I don't know if you can hear me, but welcome back. It's been a rough night. I'm losing my voice, but I think it's time to celebrate. So, it's come to my attention. We're gonna act like I haven't been watching and looking at it constantly and checking every day, every 4 hours to see how many subscribers I've got. But we cracked 1,000 and I'm so excited. I honestly never thought we'd get here. So thank you guys so much. It blows my mind, so I appreciate it. Thank you guys for everything. That's crazy to me. I literally started this channel to, you know, entertain people. I try to be funny. I love working on cars, so I just put the two together. So I hope I've helped some of you along the way. I hope I've made you guys laugh at the stupid things I've done. I don't know. It's been a wild ride. I've been doing this for about a year, really kind of full time. Some things happened. I'll post an update on kind of the whole channel and where I've been. I've been gone for like 7 or 8 months, but we're coming back. We're not going to be as busy as I used to be, but I got to thank you guys for 1,000 subs. So we're ripping the truck today. We're in the back roads. We're on our way back into Edmonton. So I'm going to pull over, get the girlfriend to film. I'm going to do a burnout for you guys. I got no tires left. There's no tires to do a burnout left in, so it's not going to be huge. We're going to get down to Courts pretty quick, but we're pulling up to some main roads here, so I'll catch up with you guys in a second here and show you guys what we're working with. But I'm going to try and do a little burnout for you guys. I might bring the other car out. We got a project coming. We got a few new projects coming, so just hang on tight. I'll catch up with you guys in a second here. All right, guys, so we're here. This is where we're going to do this. It's going to be a nice, quick thing, just a quick thank you to you guys. I really appreciate it. But I don't know a better way than to do this. So a burnout with the race truck. So she could blow up. I've had it running for 2 days. So I'm not really, we're like 40 minutes away from town still. So I'm not super sold on having to pay for a tow truck. So we brought the lifted truck too. So let's get her to, boys. However, it's got some ball tires. And if she pops, it's a nice composite bed, and we'll just turn it right into some Chevy confetti. So we're not looking to do that one today, right? No. We brought the lifted truck, we brought the race truck. Open patch, let's get to her. So I tried my hardest to get a couple burnouts in for you. Apparently, news to me, it's really difficult, extremely difficult, to respectfully do burnouts Sunday at 11 a.m. Who would have guessed? Blows my mind. So anyway, guys, short and sweet, wrap it up. I can't thank you guys enough for the support. It's crazy. I love the comments, the questions, concerns. I read everything. I try to reply to everything as quickly as possible. Life's getting a little bit crazy. I'm going to have an update coming out, hopefully pretty quickly here. Work is picking up. We're hitting the busy season, but stuff's happened. I've been gone for about 8 months, and I apologize for that. Hopefully I'm going to start coming back. Minus 40's mostly gone. It's a hard, nipply -5. Super windy today. I don't know if you can hear it when it's gusting, so it's pretty, it sucks. So that's the thing. But anyway, another video is coming out for an update. I think I still have some footage. Some things happened. Again, I'll explain as much as I can, but some things happened. I think I lost a lot of footage. I have a couple episodes on the Civic, maybe the Jeep Comanche, that I still have to edit, put out. Got to try and save them off my old laptop. We got new project cars coming. We lost project cars. It hurts. Life happened hard. So, hard darn, fellas, but I'll see you in the next one. I'll try to be more better with videos, so I love you all. This blows my mind. I'm sick of listening to my own voice for short periods of time. There's 1,000 of you subscribe to me. Huh? What? I know like 3 people in real life. This is crazy to me, but blows my mind. I appreciate it. I know 1,000 to a lot of people's nothing, but to me, it's a lot. It's crazy. It's crazy. See you in the next one, guys. So that was pretty good. I got PB slap. He's not happy, so we're off. Anyway, location 2. I shit you not, a cop shows up. I shit you not, guys. You can't say I'm not trying. I am trying really hard. I've gone way out of the city. I picked some random range road. I don't know what else. I don't know, guys. The world doesn't want me to do burnouts for you. We're gonna try to get one. Definitely not here. We're moving again somewhere else. So let's see what happens.